Kapag ka kayo ay gumagawa ng health goal, kapatid, wag mo lang po ito gawin as something na may a-attendan ka lang na na event, tapos gusto mo lang pumayat, for example, and then parang yun lang, very short term yung goal mo. So, health doesn't work that way, and if you don't think about health in the long term, ang mangyayari sa'yo, you will get frustrated. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi magyoyoyo ka. Magyoyoyo ka sa health journey mo. You know, advocate po tayo ng lifestyle, right? So, the lifestyle changes, and the bulk of the lifestyle change is really nutrition. If you are very, very restrictive, I will tell you na hindi mo yan masusustain. And you know, a few handful of people can do that, but the majority of people, kasi life is very dynamic, ang daming mga kaganapan, nagbabago yung stage mo ng buhay, nagkakaroon ka ng mga bagong issues sa health mo, right? Like for example, wag naman po sana, pero yung iba biglang na-diagnose ng cancer, yung iba biglang nagka-stroke, yung iba biglang nagka-heart attack, then what are you going to do? So, when you do itong mga changes sa inyong health, dapat po ito ay may flexibility, and that is why I love yung low-carb Mediterranean way of eating kasi it's very, very sustainable. Sa mga wala pa nung food guide, paki-download, libre lang po yun. So you go to irisradevmd.com, and if you scroll down, makikita nyo yung free. Meron din tayong option na paid, and alam naman po ninyo na ang mga paid options natin is to support the ministry work that I do. Sustainability is the key talaga sa good health, kasi kung hindi mo kayang i-sustain at masyadong restrictive yung ginagawa mo, kaya nga mga kapatid, yung iba sa inyo na very legalistic pagdating sa pagluluho carb na, hindi ko ito kakainin kasi ganyan-ganyan, meron yan na seed oil na to the last gram, binibilang mo yung net carb. Kapatid, that is not sustainable. You have to think about flexibility sa lifestyle na ito. Pag ginawa mo yun, you will be able to sustain it. Sabi ko nga, it is not a sprint. It is a marathon. Kung ikaw ay mahilig lang sa mga very sudden restrictive changes, that is a sprint, and you will not be able to sustain that. Sige nga, pakitaan mo nga ako ng athlete na nakasustain ng sprint. No, hindi. Kaya nga sprint it's burst. Pagkatapos niyan, magda-die down din. No? Mababurnout ka. Magsasawa ka, mababurnout ka, ma-frustrate ka. And you know why? Because the body is very matalino. No? May wisdom na nilagay yung Lord sa katawan natin. Meron siyang capacity to detect kapag ka nagbabago na yung ating intake, ina-adjust din ng katawan natin yung metabolism natin. So, ano nangyayari? Pag ang intake mo is very low, magsuslow down yung metabolism mo, and then you become frustrated kasi sobrang strict ka na nga mag-low carb, pero napapansin mo, wow, bakit ganun? I'm eating the same things and parang nagigain na naman ako ng weight. And that is because your body adjusts